Hi there everyone, this is a ProWorkflow tutorial where I will be demonstrating our tagging feature. So tags provide a means to aid classification, mark ownership, note issues and provide another reporting variable for you. So to set default tags, go to your settings cog and under the workflow menu on the left navigation side you'll find the tags editor. So tags are available to be used for projects, tasks and contacts. And adding a tag is very simple. Simply click the Add button, write the tag description, and select a color and hit Save. Within this demonstration account, the contact tags identify team members, industry, or skill identification. You'll also see here that there is a tag for a Christmas card and gift at the end of the year, which can be added to a contact as well. The project tags show the project status and a financial snapshot of the project, whether that's been quoted, invoiced, or partly invoiced, while our task tags are used to identify team members and give an indication as to what process stage a task is sitting in. Let's take a look at how to add a tag. So to add a contact tag, head to the contacts page. From the contacts page, you'll need to select a contact that you'd like to add a tag to. And then you'll see here the purple tag icon. So if you simply click on that, you'll be presented with the default tags that you've created. You also have the option to add an ad hoc tag, which is a very handy feature for when you're working on the fly as well, just down here. Project tags may be added from the main projects page. You'll see here that some tags have already been added to these projects. So one project is active and it is being completed as part of quoted work. And you'll see here there's a tag that's been added to show that an issue has been identified within this project as well. Simply by hovering over the right hand side here, you'll find the purple tag icon. And once again, you can select from your default tags or add a new ad hoc tag if you like. To add a tag from within the project itself, you'll find the purple tag icon at the top here as well. Task tags are also available from the task page or within the project itself again. And exactly the same thing, hover over the right hand side here and you'll find the task tag purple icon available. In this instance, there is a team working on this task, Team A, then you've got Team B working on this task, and these two tasks have started. And that is a look at task tagging for you. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Please take a look at our other videos for more information.